What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Wholesome here. I'm filling in for Baby J Love. She lost her voice at the club, doing it whatever it is women do. So now you have me. We're going to go ahead and start off this makeup tutorial. The first thing we're going to go ahead and handle is, of course, the eyebrows. This just completes the entire ensemble for the night. So we're going to start off by just drawing them in. They're already there, but we're just going to go ahead and redraw them with this Sharpie, it looks like. Could be a paintbrush. We're going to go ahead and outline them with this lighter color so we can remember where they're at for the rest of the tutorial. So we're going to go ahead and draw them in, and then from here I'm almost positive we're just going to go ahead and erase this anyway, so you guys don't really have to pay much attention to this. This is just going to be the basics. So yep, erase it. Everything that we just did, go ahead and erase it. None of that was actually important. We're actually going to start the makeup tutorial now after we've erased everything already. So go ahead and just smudge it all over the place, and we're going to go ahead and continue to fill them in. Make sure you go ahead and get both sides. I don't want you girls to stop doing this until you're sure that they're both on fleek. Okay, just go ahead and get both of them. And now we're going to go ahead and put on this oil foundation. Just go ahead and rub this all over, forehead, cheeks, nose, everything. Don't miss a single spot. Go ahead and rub it all in. Next, this is your cream foundation. We're going to go ahead and apply this. Just go ahead and grab any sponge. It looks like we're using a mini football here. So go ahead and apply that all over. Put it right on your lips, cheeks, chin. If you look like you just got a spray tan, you know you're doing it right. The next product we're going to apply in this video is from the Native American collection from Sephora. Ladies, go ahead and feel free to apply this if you found out your man's cheating on you, if he's at some other girl's house Netflix and chilling, if he's at the movies, if he's out doing something he shouldn't be doing. You go ahead and apply this. Grab his car keys, grab his wallet, and go ahead and take yourself on a well-deserved shopping spree. Girl, you don't need him. Now, to properly apply this, we're going to go ahead and reuse the mini football that we used in the first part of the video, and just go ahead and apply that everywhere. Make sure it's evenly distributed all throughout your face. The next process we're going to go ahead and do for this is the Palate foundation. This is from MAC. We're just going to go ahead and place this all throughout our hair, forehead, all the makeup that we've already applied throughout this video. We're going to go ahead and use this brush and just wipe it all off. Make sure to highlight every single area: cheekbones, chin, jawline, nose, eyelids, everything. Okay? The next product we're going to be using in the video is from the Gold Member selection from the Native American collection from Sephora. This is very limited edition. It only becomes available to you once you've broken at least 10 men's hearts. Okay? You're going to go ahead and round up your troop, round up your tribe, and you tell them to meet you at your ex's house. You're going to get it popping for round 2. Now the next product we're going to use, it might look like an ordinary eyeshadow. This is actually going to serve as the background to a beautiful sunset we're going to go ahead and paint right on our eyelids. Most YouTube makeup tutorials will only teach you how to do the basics in makeup. On our channel, we're going to teach you how to do full-fledged murals right on your eyes. So go ahead and grab the bright orange. We're going to go ahead and paint a very romantic sunset. Now the key to making sure your eyeshadow comes out perfect is using every single color that is available in your palette. White, purple, orange, red, black, yellow. Use every single one of those. Get a really good blend. Don't stop until you use every product in your makeup bag, ladies. Because they say less is more, but when it comes to women's makeup, more is actually more. So just go ahead and keep applying until you know you've got it right. Once you finish applying the eyeshadow and the highlight, the next step we're going to move on to is the black foundation. Even though we're going to apply fake eyelashes later, we need to make sure that these ones are popping first. Ooh, girl, yes, kill it. Next, all of the Native American products that we used earlier in the video, we're going to go ahead and blend that in to the rest of our foundation so we have a nice, smooth, flawless look. There you go. The next step in the tutorial is applying the lip foundation. You can go ahead and apply this with any ordinary colored pencil. The next step we're going to do is we're going to take this ordinary potato peeler and we're going to use that to really bring out the volume in our eyelashes, as well as applying our fake eyelashes right on top of those. You'll notice that once these are applied, these new eyelashes are going to complement our newly painted suns on our eyelids perfectly. The next product we have is our highlight foundation. We're going to go ahead and apply these to the cheekbone as well as underneath the eyebrow. Once the highlight's done, you're just going to go ahead and touch up the bottom eyelashes and make sure you have a full established look. The final step of this tutorial is going to be applying the second coat of lip foundation. You can never have too much of this when you're applying your makeup for the day. So just go ahead and apply this at top and bottom. We're just going to go ahead and use the same wand that we used for our eyelashes. And that concludes our makeup tutorial video. Thank you guys for staying along with us. If you've completed all the steps outlined in this video, then not only will all the guys want you, all the girls are going to come up to you and be like, "Oh, girl, you must have watched that J Love and Wholesome video, huh?" And you're going to be like, "Oh, girl, you know I did. Look at me go." And with that being said, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be right back next week with a brand new video for you guys.